Hello everyone, welcome back to my stock channel. So I'm going to my kite and I have taken two positions today. That is the first one. You can see Nifty March 16,000 C. Now it's out of money position. You can see it is around 14,700 something, and I have taken for like 16,000 C. What is the expiry date here? 21st of March, and I have taken on average price of around 63. I saw it around 58 but I didn't take it, so it's around 63 and right now 69.35. and I have taken another one, that is NTPC 5110C. Now there is some volume here, 2 lakh, around 2.5 lakhs, and but I have to wait for it in order to that it should go up. Right now there are no transactions going on in this one. It's already dormant. Yesterday I took another one, that is for 100C, Fab 100C, and I took a profit of around 1700 rupees. So we need to wait and see and monitor what's going to happen on both of these. So if the Nifty one is gives me good profit, maybe today, tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, I will sell it. If it gives a loss, I haven't set any stop loss, something like that, but if it goes around 50 or maybe 45, then I will probably sell it. So we will continue to monitor the position here for today. So now you can see it reached around 83, 85. So probably I'm thinking of selling it, but still the Nifty 50 is increasing and it's showing an upward trend. So hopefully it will continue to increase. It's around 85, but the highest for today is 86.30. So what are your views? Do I need to sell it right now? Even though I took it for a very long time, that is 21st of March is the expiry. So we will still hold it for some time. We'll look out for the next candle. It will be at 9:45. It's a 5-minute candle right now. It's 9:42, so it will take around 3 minutes. So if 9:45 to 9:50, if the if the trend is upward, then I will I will think of selling it at around 2000 rupees profit. We will see what will happen. So it's coming down as of now, 80, 79. Okay, we will continue to monitor it. Okay, now as you can see, in the second one it just increased from 0.65 to 0.70, and for every 0.05 it will give me a profit of around 285 rupees, because the quantity is very high, that is 5700, and this is a single lot for the NTPC share. So someone just purchased it right 9:45:45, so 0.70. Hopefully it will continue to increase. So now we are between 9:45 to 9:50, and you can see the price for 16,000 C went down to 72.25. That is a profit of 690 only. If I sell it right now, 746, probably 742. So Nifty went down, now it is again going up. So if you check the 1-minute graph here, you can see it went down for like 3 minutes. Now it's going up. 65, 5 minutes. Okay, now it is going up, and it is showing a buying pressure here. And it's increasing now, 74.75. We will check here what's going on in the buyers and sellers. Okay, there are around 25,000 buyers, 80,000, 25 sellers here, and we will continue to monitor. Now if it comes around 1500, 1600 profit, in the 16,000 C, then I will sell it. So it's around 10:20 right now, and you can see the price is around 80.50 as of now. And you can see here Nifty 50 is around 123 points up. Bank is 245 points up. So I have also set an order, that is sell order for 85. So right now it is around 80.50. So if it reaches 85, it will sell for profit of around 1500 to 1600 rupees, something like that. So we will see what happens. Okay, now you can see the LTP is exactly 85, and I just sold it for a profit of around 1646 rupees. So if tomorrow there is a chance of it goes down, right now Nifty 50 is going up 150 points. So we will see tomorrow if it goes up or down, then we will take it back, or maybe some other CE position. So thank you for today. Keep subscribing and keep watching the videos. Thank you.